Beautiful sunrise. We are going to Candidasa. We'll dive in a shark cave. Haven't been in Candidasa a pretty long time, but yeah, that's one of our favorite places. A little bit challenging sometimes for the novice divers, but otherwise it's a really cool place to dive with the sharks, with some small caves, a little bit current. Really good place. Candidasa is about 50-minute drive from Amet. So it's whenever we're going to Candidasa, it's always early mornings. We meet at a dive center like 6:30, 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning, and so yeah. So then packing up, and then we're going. Dives was just amazing. The first one we did in Biaja, it was super cold water, 23 degrees. Everybody was freezing, but anyways, the dive was around 40-45 minutes and then it's still okay. The second dive we did at Taquet, and the water temperature was 31 degrees. We saw the sharks, a lot of fishes. Yeah, just watch the video. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
Marty doesn't know that I gave him camera, but I want to tell you one truth. Martin is one of the best diving instructor as I ever seen. So to be honest, I don't have very huge experience, but that was really amazing and super cool to dive with him. So follow his channel and come here to Amet and Bali and dive together. See you soon.